Hello, I'm Dr. Shirley Jackson Whitaker. I'm a physician and artist living in Massachusetts, and I want to make available to you some artwork that I have done with Shirley Chisholm. And the pride for me with this artwork is that she has a folding chair. With what happened in Montgomery and the use of a folding chair, I want to share with you the painting of Fighting Shirley. She was a congresswoman from Brooklyn, New York, and she knew how to use a folding chair to have an impact. So I want to share this painting I did with her a year and a half ago before all the hoopla about what happened in Montgomery. So along with this painting, I'm sharing one of her short statements. She was an amazing speaker and a woman that made things happen. She knew how to use a folding chair to make a difference. Enjoy. Thank you.
The fact of the matter is realistically that the talents that we have are talents that have been given to us, if you will, by God, and that it is our responsibility to utilize these talents for the amelioration of humanity in a creative and constructive manner.